Apple cider vinegar is great. Drinking it between meals reduces cravings for snacks and sweet treats. ACV also prevents blood sugar spikes, giving you sustained energy. You won't want to eat snacks to perk you up. It also boosts your metabolism, helping the body to burn fat faster. The acids in ACV help to flush toxins from the body. So how do you make an apple cider vinegar drink? The easiest way to drink ACV is to mix it with water. The ratio is 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to 1 cup of water. As you progress and acquire a taste for it, you can increase the apple cider vinegar content to 2 tablespoons to a cup of water. If you're wondering what to do on the 14-day challenge, fear not. This challenge is very easy. All you have to do is drink apple cider vinegar. But like everything in life, there are always a few rules to follow. There are 2 best times to drink apple cider vinegar. Drink a glass 30 minutes before meals. This is a great time to enhance your digestive juices. Drinking at this stage also fills you up and works as an appetite suppressant. Also drink a glass when you start to crave a snack. When you feel peckish and want a snack, don't head for the sweets or biscuits. Make yourself a glass of ACV water and sip it instead. Keep a bottle handy at the office or on the run and drink it between meals to stop those cravings for unhealthy snacks. How much should you drink? The idea is to start with 1 glass a day and work your way up to a maximum of 3 glasses per day. More than 3 glasses will be too much and won't give you any additional benefits. There are also variations of apple cider vinegar drinks. Without telling you any untruths, apple cider vinegar has a sour taste. It's certainly not the most appealing drink to have. So I got creative and found ways to drink it that makes it more exciting. You can mix apple cider vinegar straight up with water. Plain and simple. You can also try mixing apple cider vinegar with lemon water. Lemon water has huge health benefits, and adding apple cider vinegar will increase them. All you need is 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 glass of water, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Another variation is mixing apple cider vinegar with green tea. Green tea is full of vitamins and essential nutrients. Mix up a glass and allow it to cool. Add organic raw honey if needed to sweeten. Add a sprig of mint to perk you up. You can also mix apple cider vinegar with a natural sweetener. If you find the taste too sour to enjoy, you can mix it with a natural sweetener. Choose organic honey or maple syrup. You can also use 4 drops of stevia. Alternatively, try mixing it with cranberry juice. This drink almost completely takes away the taste of ACV. Add a splash of lime juice too if you want. Lastly, try apple cider vinegar with a smoothie. You can add apples, avocados, ice, and water to create the perfect smoothie. For full recipes and ingredients, see my description. Overall, adding apple cider vinegar to your diet can only be a positive. It can lead to improved skin, weight loss, and overall healthier you. Remember to like and subscribe. Check the link in my description for a full article and recipes.